Welcome, here I've got Nokia G50 5G and let me show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and move up to the third button from the left, just one tap here to turn on motion photo, another tap to turn it off as we need, and when we have it turned on, we should get 2-in-1 when we take a picture, the photo and the short clip. So let's try to use it and see how it works. And for now, let's go to the right, to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is how the picture looks like. We can play it here from the right. So now we see short clip, and of course another tap here to the right, and we can stop to see again the picture. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.